Hello my dear students, hope you all are fine and safe at your home. In the previous class we discussed about trigonometric identities. Three identities we studied and we did some questions also based on the identities. So in this class also we'll continue the identities. Okay, so all of you write down the question. Prove that. First question is, all questions are prove that only. First one is prove that 1 minus sine theta by 1 plus sine theta equal to sec theta minus tan theta the whole square. We have to prove 1 minus sine theta by 1 plus sine theta is equal to sec theta minus tan theta the whole square. So now we will start with the left hand side. Just write down our left hand side is 1 minus sine theta by 1 plus sine theta. As you can check, the right hand side is in the form of complete square. So what we have to do? We have to convert this expression also in terms of complete square. So for that what we will do? Yes, only one option we have, rationalize the denominator. So we will multiply both numerator and denominator by 1 minus sine theta. So numerator you can check. Don't multiply because we need the expression in the form of square. So 1 minus sine theta into 1 minus sine theta will be equal to 1 minus sine theta the whole square by denominator you can check, it is in the form of 1 plus sine theta into 1 minus sine theta. So that will be equal to 1 minus sine square theta. And what is 1 minus sine square theta? Yes, that is equal to cos square theta. So you can check, numerator also we wrote in terms of square and denominator also it is cos theta the whole square. So we can write them together. It will be equal to 1 minus sine theta by cos theta the whole square. Now we can write them separately. Then it will be equal to 1 by cos theta minus sine theta by cos theta the whole square. What is 1 by cos theta? Yes, 1 by cos theta is sec theta. So just write down there, this is equal to sec theta minus sine theta by cos theta is, yes, correct, that is equal to tan theta. So we are getting sec theta minus tan theta the whole square, which is equal to, yes, which is equal to our right hand side. So always whenever you are proving something, just check what you need in the right hand side and do accordingly. Okay. Now all of you write down the second question. Second question is prove that sin A plus cos A by sin A minus cos A plus sin A minus cos A by sin A plus cos A equal to 2 by sin square A minus cos square A equal to 2 by 2 sin square A minus 1 equal to 2 by 1 minus 2 cos square A. So we have to prove left hand side is equal to these three expressions there. So first we can simplify and we will check what our left hand side will come. Okay, what we can do in left hand side, we have in terms of fraction. So the only option is we can do cross multiplication. So when we will do the cross multiplication, it will be equal to sin A plus cos A multiplied by sin A plus cos A. So we can write sin A plus cos A the whole square. Plus in the same way these two will become sin A, yes, sin A minus cos A the whole square, whole divided by, check our denominator again, it is in the form of identity A minus B into A plus B. So that will be equal to A square minus B square. Then we will get there sin square A minus cos square A. So you can check the second part which we have to prove there. We got here sin square A minus cos square A. Now we can check whether we will get 2 in the numerator or not. So to get that, what we can do? Yes, we can expand the identities there. Then it will be equal to sin square A plus 2 sin A cos A plus cos square A. Correct? Then similarly the second term will come sin square A minus 2 sin A cos A plus cos square A whole divided by sin square A minus cos square A. So you can check now here, anything will get cancelled. Yes, minus 2 sin A cos A plus 2 sin A cos A will get cancelled. Sin square A plus cos square A is 1. Sin square A plus cos square A is 1. So 1 plus 1 will be equal to 2. So we are getting here 2 by sin square A minus cos square A. So the first part is over there. Now in the second part, just check, we want the term related to sin only. We don't want any cos square. So for that what we will do, we'll change that cos square A in terms of sin square A. Then how we can rewrite cos square A? Yes, it can be written as 1 minus sin square A. Now all of you open the bracket, this minus sign will get multiplied inside. Then we will get here sin square A minus 1 plus sin square A, which will be equal to 2 by 2 sin square A minus 1. So the second part is also over. Now in the third part which we have to prove, as you can check, we don't want any term of sin square A. We want the term of cos square A. So again here, how we can change it? We don't want sin square A. So sin square A can be written as, yes, correct, that can be written as 1 minus cos square A. This minus cos square A is as it is there. Then it will be equal to 2 by 1 minus cos square A minus cos square A will be equal to 1 minus 2 cos square A. So in this way, using the identity, we can solve it easily. So first thing is, you should know how to apply the identities. Okay. Now all of you write down the third question. Third question is, prove that cosec theta minus sin theta into sec theta minus cos theta into tan theta plus cot theta equal to 1. We have to prove there. Okay. So now as what we are doing, if any term is related to cosec, sec, tan, cot, everything we will change in terms of sin and cos. So how we can rewrite this cosec theta? It can be written as 1 minus sin theta minus sin theta can be written as sin theta by 1. Similarly, sec theta can be written as 1 by cos theta minus cos theta can be written as cos theta by 1 into, again, tan theta can be written as sin theta by cos theta plus cot theta can be written as cos theta by sin theta. Now just to do the cross multiplication, what we will get? 1 minus sin square theta by sin theta into, the second term will come 1 minus cos square theta by cos theta into, here what will come after the cross multiplication? We will get sin square theta plus cos square theta by sin theta into cos theta. Now we can check whether all terms will get cancelled or not, because in the right hand side we need 1. Okay. What is 1 minus sin square theta? Yes, correct. That is equal to cos square theta by sin theta will write as it is. What is 1 minus cos square theta? Sin square theta by cos theta into sin square theta plus cos square theta can be written as 1. So we are getting here 1 by sin theta into cos theta. So just to check, 1 cos theta and 1 cos theta will get cancelled here, and 1 cos theta, these two will get cancelled. Similarly, sin square theta also will get cancelled. Answer will be equal to 1, which is equal to our right hand side. So I hope these concepts are clear to you, how to use the identities. Okay. Now we'll practice some more questions to make your concept more clear. Now write down question number 4. Question number 4 is prove that sin theta minus 2 sin cube theta by 2 cos cube theta minus cos theta equal to tan theta. We have to prove this expression is equal to tan theta. So again we'll check the left hand side. So just to check, we have only one term there, so no need of doing any cross multiplication there. Then what we can do, we need there tan theta also. So just to check, can we take anything common here in numerator? Yes, we have sin theta common. What will come inside the bracket? From here we took one sin theta common. So remaining it will be equal to 1 minus 2 sin square theta by. From here what we can take common? Yes, we can take cos theta common. Then what will come inside the bracket? Inside the bracket we will get here 2 cos square theta minus 1. Just to check, what is sin theta by cos theta? Tan theta. So here we got our answer, but these two expressions should get cancelled. Then only we will get the answer is equal to tan theta. So as you can check, numerator is written in terms of sin square theta. If these two should get cancelled, then the two expressions should be same. So what we are going to do now here, I am going to change this sin square theta in terms of cos square theta, and then we will check whether these two expressions are same. So 1 minus 2 into, how we can rewrite sin square theta? 1 minus cos square theta by this 2 cos square theta minus 1 we'll write as it is. Now just to check, we got our answer tan theta here. When we will open the bracket, what will come? 1 minus 2 minus into minus plus 2 cos square theta by 2 cos square theta minus 1. So we'll get here tan theta into 2 cos square theta. 1 minus 2 is minus 1. So we are getting here 2 cos square theta minus 1 by 2 cos square theta minus 1. So these two will get cancelled. We will get the answer is equal to tan theta, which is equal to our right hand side. So I hope this question is clear. Okay. Now all of you write down the next question. Next is question number 5. So just write down the question. Question number 5 is prove that sin theta plus cosec theta the whole square, sin theta plus cosec theta the whole square plus cos theta plus sec theta the whole square equal to 7 plus tan square theta plus cot square theta. So we have to prove this one. So once again what we can do first, we can expand the terms using identity. Sin theta plus cosec theta the whole square. So you can check, it will come sin square theta plus 2 sin theta into cosec theta plus cosec square theta plus cos square theta plus, yes, 2 cos theta into sec theta plus sec square theta. Anywhere we can use some identity? Yes, sin square theta plus cos square theta is 1. So we got here 1. Then how we can rewrite this cosec theta? Can be written as 1 by sin theta. Similarly this one I am writing together there. 2 cos theta into sec theta can be written as 1 by cos theta plus remaining is cosec square theta plus sec square theta. Sin theta will get cancelled. Here cos theta and cos theta will get cancelled. So what we are getting here, 1 plus 2 plus 2. So that will be equal to 5 plus cosec square theta plus sec square theta. Now just to check what we need in the proof. In the proof we want the term related to tan and cot there. So just to check how we can rewrite that cosec square theta. Yes, it can be written as 1 plus tan square theta. So change it now. 5 plus cosec square theta can be written as 1 plus tan square theta plus. Similarly, sec square theta, cosec square theta can be written as 1 plus cot square theta. Similarly, sec square theta can be written as 1 plus tan square theta. So what we will get here? 5 plus 1, 6 plus 1, 7. So we are getting here 7 plus tan square theta plus cot square theta, which is equal to our right hand side. So once again I am saying there, whenever you are doing any question, just to check what are the things we required in our right hand side and use the identity accordingly. Now write down the next question. Prove that sin theta plus sec theta the whole square plus cos theta plus cosec theta the whole square equal to 1 plus sec theta into cosec theta the whole square. So once again we can check, we will simplify the left hand side. So can we use the identity directly? Okay. So it will be equal to sin square theta plus 2 sin theta into sec theta plus sec square theta. Similarly, next expression will come cos square theta plus 2 cos theta into cosec theta plus cosec square theta. What is sin square theta plus cos square theta? 1. So we got here 1 plus. Now these two we can combine there because these two like same there. Okay. So 2 sin theta. Sec theta can be written as 1 by cos theta. So we can write here 2 sin theta by cos theta. Similarly here what will come? 2 cos theta by sin theta plus sec square theta can be written as 1 by cos square theta plus 1 by cosec square theta can be written as 1 by sin square theta. Now here we are simplifying it in this way. In groups we are going to simplify there. If you will do the cross multiplication, you will get here 2 sin square theta plus 2 cos square theta by sin theta into cos theta plus here what will come? Sin square theta plus cos square theta by sin square theta into cos square theta. So from here if we will take one common, this one as it is there, plus here if we will take 2 common, inside the bracket it will come sin square theta plus cos square theta, which is equal to 1. So we have here 2 by sin theta into cos theta plus here sin square theta plus cos square theta is 1. So 1 by sin square theta into cos square theta. So when we simplified everything, we are getting the term in this way. But we haven't got our right hand side there. So sometimes if you are not able to simplify, if you are not able to get the right hand side after simplification also, then what you should do, you just expand the right hand side also, because at present we got all the terms in terms of sin theta and cos theta. So here also we can check by changing whether we will get the same expression or not. Now we are going to simplify the right hand side. So right hand side is 1 plus sec theta can be written as 1 by cos theta. Sin theta can be written as 1 by cosec theta can be written as 1 by sin theta. So we can rewrite in this way the whole square. Now just expand it using identity. What will come? A square 1 plus 2ab. So 2 into 1 by sin theta into cos theta. So we will get here 2 by sin theta cos theta plus b square. So 1 by sin square theta into cos square theta. So just to check, when we expanded the right hand side, we are getting the same expression there. So we can say left hand side and right hand side are equal. Is it clear? Okay. Now all of you write down the next question. Question number 7. Question number 7 is, prove that sec raised to 4 theta minus sec square theta is equal to tan raised to 4 theta plus tan square theta. So again we can start simplifying the left hand side. Anything which we can take common in left hand side? Yes, we can take sec square theta common. So taken sec square theta outside. Inside the bracket what will remain here? Sec square theta minus 1. But our right hand side we want the term related to tan theta only. So we are going to convert now sec square theta in terms of tan square theta. How we can rewrite sec square theta? Yes, correct. 1 plus tan square theta. Here also it can be written as 1 plus tan square theta minus 1 as it is there. So 1 and minus 1 will get cancelled. Now we will multiply it by tan square theta. Then it will be equal to tan square theta plus tan raised to 4 theta, which is equal to our right hand side. So in this way you can check. If you will use the correct identities, your calculation also will be easy. Okay. Now all of you write down the next question. Question number 8. Question number 8 is, prove that sin theta by 1 minus cos theta plus tan theta by 1 plus cos theta equal to sec theta into cosec theta plus cot theta. So first what we can do, we can change if any term is not there in terms of sin and cos, we can change it. This tan theta can be written as sin theta by cos theta. So obviously cos will come in the bracket there. So sin theta by 1 minus cos theta plus tan theta can be written as sin theta by cos theta. 1 plus cos theta as it is in denominator. So now it depends on you. If you want, you can take sin theta common and you can simplify. Otherwise, you can leave here. What I should do? Shall I take it outside? Okay. So taken sin theta common. What will come inside the bracket now? 1 by 1 minus cos theta plus 1 by this cos theta is remaining. So shall I multiply there? Then it will come. Otherwise, we will write down as it is. Okay. Now what we will do? We will just do the cross multiplication. Then it will come. Now here we can multiply. Cos theta plus cos square theta plus 1 minus cos theta by. This cos theta we can write as it is. 1 minus cos theta into 1 plus cos theta will be equal to, yes, correct, 1 minus cos square theta. Always check what we need in the right hand side and then do accordingly. Okay. Now we can check how we can simplify it. Sin theta written as it is. Here in numerator cos theta and minus cos theta will get cancelled. Remaining we have here 1 plus cos square theta by. Here what will come? Cos theta we can write as it is. 1 minus cos square theta will be equal to sin square theta. So 1 sin theta also will get cancelled. So our remaining expression is 1 plus cos square theta by sin theta into cos theta. But in the right hand side we need the term in terms of sec, cosec and cot. So we are going to write them separately. So it will be equal to 1 by sin theta into cos theta plus cos square theta by sin theta into cos theta. What is 1 by sin theta? Yes, correct. That is equal to cosec theta into 1 by cos theta is sec theta plus here 1 cos theta will get cancelled. Remaining is cos theta by sin theta. And cos theta by sin theta is correct. That is equal to cot theta. So I think this is our right hand side. Yes. Okay. Now all of you write down the next question. Next question number 9. Just write down the question. Question number 9 is, prove that 1 by cosec theta minus cot theta minus 1 by sin theta equal to 1 by sin theta minus 1 by cosec theta plus cot theta. If you want, you can shift the position there, or if you want to do from here, that also depends on you there. Okay, just to check. Now here, if you want, you can shift this sin theta to right hand side, then it will be equal to 2 by sin theta. Just we are rearranging there, so it will be equal to, if you want then only, just it will be, I think calculation will be more easy. This expression I am shifting to left hand side, so it will come 1 by cosec theta plus cot theta equal to your right hand side 1 by sin theta plus 1 by sin theta, then it will be equal to 2 by sin theta. So you can prove this expression is equal to 2 by sin theta, or we can simplify it there. What you want? Shall we do in this way only? No problem? Okay. So left hand side. Now just to check there, what we can do? Yes, we can do the cross multiplication. Then it will be equal to cosec theta plus cot theta plus cosec theta minus cot theta by cosec square theta minus cot square theta. So here cot theta and cot theta will get cancelled. Cosec theta plus cosec theta will be equal to 2 cosec theta by, what is cosec square theta minus cot square theta? Yes, that is equal to 1. So denominator we don't have to write there. In the right hand side, what we need there? Sin theta. So just to change, cosec theta can be written as 1 by sin theta. So we are getting the answer 2 by sin theta. I hope this method is clear to you. Okay. Now all of you write down the next question. Next is question number 10. Question number 10 is, prove that cos A by 1 minus tan A plus sin A by 1 minus cot A is equal to cos A plus sin A. So again, first what we will do, in the left hand side, we can change the expression in terms of sin and cos. So here we will write cos A as it is. Tan A can be written as sin A by cos A plus sin A by 1 minus cot A. So it can be written as 1 minus cos A by sin A. Now here what we will do? We will do the cross multiplication in denominator. Okay. So it will come cos A divided by cos A minus sin A by cos A plus here also sin A divided by sin A minus cos A by sin A. Written? Okay. Now here what we can do, we'll change the division into multiplication. Then it will come cos A into cos A by cos A minus sin A plus here also we will get sin A into sin A by sin A minus cos A. So you can check here, we are getting cos square A by cos A minus sin A. So just write down there, cos square A by cos A minus sin A plus sin square A by sin A minus cos A. So now you can check how we can do it. We want there cos A plus sin A only. If you can check the denominator, it is in the form just a difference of negative sign there. So if we will take the negative sign common from here, that negative sign will get multiplied by this positive sign. So positive into negative will become negative. So I am going to use that concept. Then it will be equal to cos square A by cos A minus sin A. I am going to take this negative sign common. So this expression will become negative there. Sin square A by, here it will become cos A minus sin A. Now our denominators are same. So directly we can simplify the numerator. Numerator is written in the form of cos square A minus sin square A. So here we can use the identity A square minus B square. Then it will come cos A plus sin A into cos A minus sin A by cos A minus sin A. So here cos A minus sin A will get cancelled. Remaining it will be equal to cos A plus sin A, which is equal to our right hand side. So sometimes you have to apply some tricks to solve the question. Okay. Now all of you write down the next one, question number 11. Question number 11 is, prove that tan A by 1 minus cot A plus cot A by 1 minus tan A equal to 1 plus tan A plus cot A is equal to 1 plus sec A into cosec A. We have to prove left hand side is equal to the middle one and this is equal to the right hand side. So first we can simplify the left hand side. Again what we can do, we can change in terms of sin and cos, or in this way only, easy. Okay, changing. Then tan A can be written as sin A by cos A divided by 1 minus cos A by sin A, plus here cot A can be written as cos A by sin A divided by 1 minus sin A by cos A. So now here it will come sin A by cos A. Here we can do the cross multiplication. Then sin A minus cos A by sin A will remain there. Plus similarly here we will get cos A by sin A by cos A minus sin A by cos A will remain there. So next step is we are going to change the division into multiplication. Then we will get sin A by cos A into sin A by sin A minus cos A, plus here also cos A by sin A into cos A by cos A minus sin A. Now these two will be equal to sin square A. So just write down there sin square A by equal to sin square A by cos A into sin A minus cos A. Okay, then here we will get plus cos square A by sin A into cos A minus sin A. So as we did in the previous one, you can check here only a difference of negative sign we have here. So again we will take a negative sign common from here, then this expression will become negative. Okay, so I am going to take the negative sign common from there, then it will become sin square A by cos A into sin A minus cos A. We are going to write as it is. Now from here taking the negative sign common, then it will become here minus. So remaining it will come cos square A by sin A into sin A minus cos A. Now you can check sin A minus cos A is common, but that is there in denominator. So when you will take it outside, you should write there 1 by, because we are taking it from denominator. Sin A minus cos A taken common. Inside the bracket what will remain? Sin square A by cos A minus cos square A by sin A. Now we can check how we can simplify the expression which is inside the bracket. Now all of you write down what we can do inside the bracket. Yes, we can do cross multiplication. Sin A minus cos A we will write as it is there. Then inside the bracket it will come sin cube A minus cos cube A by sin A into cos A. Now how we will simplify it? Afterwards what we should do now? Nothing. These two cannot be simplified. So we will write down as it is there. What we can do here? Yes, we can use the identity A cube minus B cube. Now can you tell me what is that identity? A cube minus B cube? Yes, it can be written as A minus B into A square plus AB plus B square. So this identity we are going to use here. In place of A what we have? Sin A. And in place of B we have cos A. Then it will come, first expression will come sin A minus cos A into, then next we have A square. So sin A the whole square will be equal to sin square A plus sin A into cos A plus cos square A whole divided by sin A into cos A. Anything will get cancelled here? Yes, sin A minus cos A and sin A minus cos A will get cancelled. Here sin square A plus cos square A will be equal to, yes, that is equal to 1. So remaining is 1 plus sin A cos A by sin A cos A. Now shall we write it separately? Yes, then it will be equal to 1 by sin A into cos A plus sin A into cos A by sin A into cos A. These expressions will get cancelled. Here, what is 1 by sin A? Cosec A into sec A plus 1. So just check, we got our right hand side there. But what we need there? We need that left hand side, middle one also. So shall we simplify that middle one? Okay. Now all of you write down middle hand side, or you can write down middle side is equal to 1 plus tan theta, tan A how we can rewrite? Sin A by cos A plus cot A can be written as cos A by sin A. 1 plus, what we can do here? 1 plus we need there. So don't change anything here. Just to do the cross multiplication. Then we will get sin square A plus cos square A by sin A into cos A. What is sin square A plus cos square A? 1. So we will get here 1 plus 1 by sin A into cos A. Now we can write 1 plus 1 by sin A is cosec A into 1 by cos A is sec A. So just to check, after simplifying the middle one also we are getting the same expression. So in this way we proved that all these expressions are same. So I think this question is clear to you. Now we will move to the next question. Question number 12, write down if sin theta plus sin square theta equal to 1. It is given if sin theta plus sin square theta is equal to 1, prove that cos square theta plus cos raised to 4 theta equal to 1. Sin theta plus sin square theta is equal to 1 is given. We have to prove cos square theta plus cos raised to 4 theta is also equal to 1. So we can just simplify what is given here. Sin theta equal to sin square theta we can shift to right hand side, then it will come 1 minus sin square theta. What is 1 minus sin square theta? Correct. Cos square theta. So cos square theta can be written as sin theta. Now we will write down left hand side. What we have? Cos square theta. So cos square theta can be written as sin theta. Cos raised to 4 theta, how we can rewrite? It can be written as cos square theta the whole square. And what is cos square theta? Cos square theta is sin theta. So we can write here sin theta the whole square. As we know, sin theta the whole square means that is sin square theta. So after simplification, we are getting here sin theta plus sin square theta. And what is the value? Yes, its value is equal to 1, which is equal to our right hand side. I think this question is clear to you. Okay, now all of you write down. Next question is, prove that tan theta plus sec theta minus 1 by tan theta minus sec theta plus 1 is equal to 1 plus sin theta by cos theta. Normally in some books they multiplied it by tan theta minus sin theta and tan theta plus sec theta there. So normally during the exam we cannot remember that one. So better what we can do, first we can change in terms of sin theta and cos theta, and then we can rationalize the denominator. Okay, I will explain you how to do the rationalization when three terms are there. So first, can we change it? Okay, tan theta can be written as sin theta by cos theta plus sec theta can be written as 1 by cos theta minus 1 by, here also tan theta can be written as sin theta by cos theta minus sec theta can be written as 1 by cos theta plus 1. Now what we can do, first we can make the denominators equal. Then cos theta and cos theta will get cancelled there. So to make the denominator equal, it should be multiplied by cos theta. Here also this expression also should get multiplied by cos theta. So just did the multiplication and I am skipping that step. Which one? Cos theta and cos theta we are cancelling after changing the division into multiplication. Okay. So I am writing the remaining expression is sin theta plus 1 minus cos theta by sin theta minus 1 plus cos theta. Now what we are going to do, we are going to rationalize the denominator. But we know for rationalization we need only two terms there. So how we are going to do? We are going to consider the term. It depends on you there, which one you want to change. We are going to consider this as single term there. So when you will change the sign, don't change this minus 1 to plus 1 because we are considering this as a single term. So here plus cos theta, what we are going to do, we are going to change it as minus cos theta. So we will multiply it by sin theta minus 1 minus cos theta by here sin theta minus 1 minus cos theta. Okay, what we did rationalization. We consider this one as a single term there. That's why I haven't changed the sign here. This plus cos theta, I wrote it as minus cos theta. Now what we will do? We'll just do the multiplication, normal multiplication of polynomials. Okay. Here just check, sin theta into sin theta will be equal to sin square theta. Sin theta into minus 1 minus sin theta. Sin theta into minus cos theta will give you minus sin theta cos theta. Then 1 will be multiplied by all. Then we will get here sin theta minus 1 minus cos theta. Then minus cos theta will get multiplied. Then we will get here minus cos theta sin theta minus cos theta into minus 1 plus cos theta and then plus cos square theta. Denominator we can use the identity. Here this one, if suppose we are taking as A and this one as B, so it is in the form of A plus B into A minus B, which is equal to A square minus B square. Then we will get here sin theta minus 1 the whole square minus cos square theta. So we wrote here. Now we can check how we can use the identities here. Anywhere we can use? Yes. Sin square theta plus cos square theta can be written as 1 written. Then minus sin theta and plus sin theta will get cancelled. Then here cos theta and minus cos theta also got cancelled there. And what is remaining then? Here sin theta plus cos square, sin square theta plus cos square theta is 1. Then remaining is minus 2 sin theta cos theta minus 1 by. This one we can expand now. Then it will be equal to sin square theta minus 2 sin theta plus 1 minus cos square theta. 1 and minus 1 will get cancelled here. Remaining it will be equal to minus 2 sin theta cos theta by. Here how we can use the identity? Yes, 1 minus cos square theta can be written as sin square theta. So sin square theta plus sin square theta will be equal to 2 sin square theta minus 2 sin theta we have as it is there. Okay. Now just to check, in the right hand side we want only plus there. So from here can we take the negative sign common? Okay. Minus 2 sin theta cos theta as it is there. By from here I am taking minus 2 sin theta outside there. Then this expression will become positive and this expression will become negative. So we will get there 1 minus sin theta just to cancel that negative sign. So minus and minus cancelled, 2 and 2 cancelled, sin theta and sin theta also cancelled. What is remaining with us? Cos theta by 1 minus sin theta. Did we get the proof? Cos theta by 1 minus sin theta. No. We want there 1 plus sin theta. So for that what we will do? Yes, we will rationalize the denominator. So multiplied by 1 plus sin theta. So it will be equal to cos theta into 1 plus sin theta by 1 minus sin theta into 1 plus sin theta. That will be equal to 1 minus sin square theta, which is equal to cos square theta. So 1 cos theta will get cancelled. We will get here 1 plus sin theta by cos theta, which is equal to our right hand side. So I think the steps are more, but in this way only calculation will be easy for you. So I think today's concept is clear to you. So all of you please do the homework which is given to you. While doing the homework, just check what we need in the right hand side. How we can use the identity to get the right hand side. So do the homework, and in case of any doubt you can ask. Thank you.